You take the burger and eat it. Hi, this is a very special shoutout video to fit guys, Hexers and Fitness for You TK. So guys, this is for you from me. Look, I have fitness clothes on, just came from the beach. I have like almost like competition bikinis on. Let's do this. So guys, I think you have heard about this. This, my friends, is called a burger. First, take it out bag. See, darlings, this is what you actually can eat. You know, this is things that normal people eat like almost every day. See, this looks like magic, doesn't it? Look. So actually the salad is so green that it's gonna be like this neon green. My cat is going insane. But look, it has like salmon in between, and it's so heavy I have to use my lifting gloves. So, a tutorial from me. You take the burger, and from my glasses you can see how messy my table is, but you take the burger and you go like this. This is amazing. The burger is as good as these two channels. Trust me. The burger is epic and so are the channels. The guys just need people who know who they are. If you go and check them out, if you like them, please leave a comment, leave a subscribe, help the guys out. But if you don't like them, look at my videos. I have burgers. This is how you do it, guys. This is how you eat the burger. I haven't even gotten to the meat yet. I have to try the meat. Legendary! This is how you get to your bikini form, bikini body, because bikini bodies come in all shapes and sizes. But mad respect out there to all the fitness people. I have tried it, I have lost a ton of weight, even wanted to go to compete, that's why the bikinis and stuff. Not gonna happen, way too hard, so epic, mad respect. Have a bite. Take a bite.